ouvir 65 daily habits that protect your heart, brain, and muscles. Number 1. Introduction. What really changes after 60? If you are over 60, your body is not simply an older version of the body you had at 40. Inside your muscles, blood vessels, brain, digestive system, and bones, important biological changes are taking place every day. Muscle tissue can gradually decline. Blood vessels may become less flexible. The way your body handles blood sugar can change. Your bones may lose minerals more easily, and even your digestive system and gut microbiota can become different with age. But here is the important part. Aging does not mean that weakness, poor mobility, constante fatigue, or loss of independence must automatically become your future. Many of the systems affected by aging respond remarkably well to nutrition, movement, hydration, sleep, and other daily habits. And sometimes, the smallest habits produce the biggest long-term difference. Today, we are going to examine 5 evidence-based habits that become increasingly important after 60. You will discover why your muscles need more attention than you may realize, what certain colorful foods can do inside your blood vessels, why hydration affects far more than thirst, and how your gut may influence inflammation throughout your entire body. And make sure you stay with me until the end, because the final habit is one that many older adults underestimate, yet it can influence the brain, heart, blood sugar, muscles, and even longevity at the same time. Let's begin with something most people don't think about until they start feeling weaker. Your muscle. Number #2. Topic 1. Protect your muscle with enough protein. After the age of 60, maintaining muscle becomes one of the most important parts of maintaining independence. Why? Because muscle is not only what allows you to lift objects or climb stairs. Muscle is metabolically active tissue. It helps your body handle glucose from the bloodstream. It supports balance. It protects your joints, and it helps determine whether everyday activities remain easy or gradually become difficult. With age, the body may become slightly less responsive to the muscle-building effects of dietary protein. Scientists sometimes refer to this phenomenon as anabolic resistance. Imagine your muscles receiving a message saying, repair and rebuild. When you are younger, that message can be very loud. As you get older, the same message may become quieter. This means nutrition and physical activity become increasingly important. Protein-rich foods provide amino acids, the small building blocks your body uses to repair muscle tissue. Examples include eggs, plain Greek yogurt, fish, beans, lentils, cottage cheese, tofu, and other minimally processed protein sources. Instead of eating almost no protein during the day and then consuming most of it at dinner, many older adults may benefit from including a useful protein source across several meals. For example, breakfast could include Greek yogurt with berries and walnuts. Lunch could include lentils, vegetables, and a protein source such as fish, chicken, or tofu. Dinner might include beans, eggs, fish, or another quality protein. And there is another important piece of this puzzle. Protein becomes much more powerful when your muscles have a reason to use it. That reason is resistance. Simple exercises such as chair squats, resistance band exercises, controlled stair climbing, or age-appropriate strength training tell your muscles that they are still needed. Food supplies the building materials. Movement gives the construction order. Together, they can help protect something incredibly valuable. After 60, your ability to remain physically independent. But muscles are only part of the story, because another silent process can affect nearly every organ in your body. Inflammation. Number #3. Topic 2. Eat more colorful plant foods. Picture a bowl containing blueberries, strawberries, dark leafy greens, tomatoes, carrots, avocado, and other colorful plants. It may look like an ordinary meal. But chemically, it is extremely complex. Plant foods contain vitamins, minerals, fiber, carotenoids, flavonoids, polyphenols, and hundreds of naturally occurring compounds. Many of these compounds interact with systems involved in oxidative stress and inflammation. Oxidative stress occurs when unstable molecules known as free radicals exceed the body's ability to neutralize them. Your body naturally produces free radicals during normal metabolism. They are not automatically dangerous. The problem occurs when the balance becomes unfavorable. Over time, excessive oxidative stress may contribute to damage involving blood vessels, cells, proteins, and DNA. This is one reason colorful fruits and vegetables are so important. Berries, for example, contain compounds called anthocyanins. These are pigments responsible for their deep blue, purple, and red colors. Leafy green vegetables provide folate, potassium, carotenoids, vitamin K, and numerous plant compounds. Tomatoes provide lycopene. Citrus fruits provide vitamin C and flavonoids. The goal is not to search for one miracle fruit. It is variety. Think of your plate as a protective team. One food cannot do everything, but many different plant foods contribute different nutrients. A simple strategy is to include 2 or 3 different colors of fruits and vegetables in your meals whenever possible. You could add blueberries to breakfast, leafy greens to lunch, tomatoes and carrots to dinner. An orange, kiwi, apple, or small serving of berries can become a practical snack. These foods also provide something especially important for the digestive system: fiber. And fiber leads us directly to the next habit. Number 4. Topic 3. Take care of your gut microbiome. Inside your digestive tract lives an enormous community of microorganisms. This community is known as the gut microbiome, and scientists now understand that these organisms do far more than simply help digest food. They interact with the immune system. They produce metabolic compounds. They communicate with intestinal cells, and they may influence processes related to inflammation and metabolic health. One of the most important foods for many beneficial gut bacteria is dietary fiber. When certain bacteria ferment fiber in the colon, they can produce substances known as short-chain fatty acid. One of the best studied is butyrate can provide energy for cells, lining the colon, and participates in mechanisms involved in maintaining the intestinal barrier. This is one reason foods, such as beans, lentils, oats, vegetables, berries, apples, pears, seeds, and whole grains can be so valuable. They do not simply feed you. Part of that fiber feeds your intestinal bacteria. Imagine your gut like a garden. If you continuously provide only highly refined foods, the garden receives very little diversity. But when you regularly consume different plant foods, you provide many different types of fibers and plant compounds. You are feeding an ecosystem. A practical goal is not perfection. It is diversity. Over the course of the week, you might eat oatmeal and berries in the morning, beans and vegetables at lunch, an apple with a few nuts later in the day, and lentils or a large salad with dinner. If your current diet is very low in fiber, increase it gradually. A sudden large increase may cause gas or discomfort. And remember that fiber works best when hydration is adequate, which brings us to a habit that seems simple, but becomes surprisingly important with age. Water. Number 5. Topic 4. Do not wait until you feel very thirsty. One of the easiest habits to underestimate after 60 is hydration. As peopliage, the sensation of thirst may become less noticeable. This means you may not always receive a strong warning before your body begins needing more fluids. Water is involved in almost every major system in your body. Your blood contains water. Your kidneys require fluid to help remove metabolic waste. Your digestive system needs fluid to help keep stool moving normally. Your joints rely on fluid, and your brain is extremely sensitive to changes in hydration. Even mild dehydration can contribute to symptoms such as fatigue, headache, reduced concentration, dizziness, or weakness in some people. Older adults may also take medications or have medical conditions that change fluid requirements, so individual needs can vary considerably. That is why this should never become a rigid rule, such as everyone must drink exactly this amount. Instead, create a consistent hydration routine appropriate for your individual health situation. For example, you might drink water after waking, another glass with breakfast. Keep water nearby during the afternoon. Drink around meals and physical activity as appropriate. Foods can also contribute significant amounts of water. Watermelon, oranges, strawberries, cucumber, tomatoes, soups, and many vegetables have high water content. But there is one important warning. People with certain heart or kidney conditions may need individualized fluid recommendations from their healthcare professional. More is not always better. The goal is appropriate hydration, not excessive hydration. And hydration connects directly with another system that deserves special attention after 60. Your cardiovascular system says. Topic 5. Support your heart and brain with movement, healthy fats, and sleep. Your heart and brain may seem like two completely different organs, but they share something extremely important. Blood vessels. Your brain depends on a constant supply of oxygen and nutrients delivered through circulation. Your heart is responsible for keeping that circulation moving. This means many habits that support cardiovascular health may also support long-term brain health. Regular physical activity is one of the most powerful examples. When your muscles contract during walking or exercise, they increase their demand for oxygen and energy. Your cardiovascular system responds by increasing blood flow. Over time, consistent activity can support blood pressure management, insulin sensitivity, physical conditioning, balance, and muscle function. You do not need extreme exercise to benefit. Walking, gardening, swimming, cycling, strength exercises. Balance training. All can contribute. The best form of physical activity is usually one you can perform safely and consistently. Nutrition also matters. Foods such as extra virgin olive oil, avocado, walnuts, almonds, chia seeds, flaxseed, and fatty fish provide unsaturated fats. Fatty fish, such as salmon and sardines, provide omega-3 fatty acids, including EPA and DHA. These fats are involved in cell membranes and multiple physiological processes. At the same time, limiting excessive intake of heavily processed foods rich in refined carbohydrates, excess sodium, and certain saturated fats can help improve the overall quality of the diet. And then there is sleep. Sleep is not wasted time. While you sleep, your brain and body are actively regulating hormones, memory, metabolism, immune activity, and tissue recovery. Poor sleep can influence appetite hormones, insulin sensitivity, blood pressure, mood, and cognitive performance. So one of the most powerful routines after 60 is remarkably simple. Move during the day. Eat mostly minimally processed foods. Include healthy fats. And protect your sleep. Because longevity is rarely created by one extraordinary decision. It is usually built through ordinary decisions, repeated thousands of times. The real secret to health after 60, if there is one message I want you to remember from this video, it is this. Your daily habits continue to matter enormously after 60. Protect your muscles with adequate nutrition and strength-building activity. Eat a wide variety of colorful plant foods to provide fiber, vitamins, minerals, and protective plant compounds. Feed your gut microbiome with fiber-rich whole foods. Stay appropriately hydrated rather than relying only on thirst. And protect your heart and brain through regular movement, quality fats, and restorative sleep. None of these habits is magic, and none can guarantee that disease will never occur. But together, they create an environment that supports healthier aging. Think about the difference between two people who are both 60 years old today. One gradually stops moving, eats mostly processed foods, sleeps poorly, and loses muscle year after year. The other walks regularly, trains their muscles, eats nourishing whole foods, stays socially and mentally active, and pays attention to recovery. Achi 61. The difference may seem small. Achi 65, it becomes more noticeable. Achi 70, it can become dramatic. Healthy aging is often the accumulation of small choices. And the best time to make the next good choice is not 10 years from now. It is today. If you found this video helpful, give it a like so more people over 60 can discover this information. Subscribe to Healthy Fruits for more science-based videos about nutrition, healthy aging, fruits, vegetables, and natural foods. And share this video with a parent, friend, partner, or family member who wants to stay strong and independent as they age. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 habits are you already practicing every day? And which one are you going to improve starting today? Tell us in the comments below. Your answer may inspire someone else to take better care of their health too. I'll see you in the next Healthy Fruits video.